would. Meaning. First meaning. Used as the past form of will when reporting what somebody has said or thought. For example, he said he would be there at 8 o'clock. It means his words were, I will be there at 8 o'clock. She asked if I would help. They told me what they probably wouldn't come. They told me that they probably wouldn't come. Second meaning, used for talking about the result of an event that you imagine. For example, she'd look better with shorter hair. If you went to see him, he would be delighted. Hurry up, it would be a shame to miss the beginning of the play. She'd be a fool to accept it. Means if she accepted. Third meaning, used for describing a possible action or event that did not in fact happen because something else did not happen first. For example, if I had seen the advertisement in time, I would have applied for the job. They would never have met if she hadn't gone to Emma's party. Fourth meaning, used for saying why somebody does something. For example, she burned the letters so that her husband would never read them. Fifth meaning, used for saying what you want to used for saying what you want to happen. Used for saying what you want to happen. For example, I wish you would be quiet for a minute. Sixth meaning, used to show that somebody or something was not willing or refused to do something. For example, she wouldn't change it even though she knew it was wrong. My car wouldn't start this morning. Seventh meaning, used to ask somebody politely to do something. For example, would you mind leaving us alone for a few minutes? Would you open the door for me, please? Eighth meaning, used in polite offers or invitations. For example, would you like a sandwich? Would you have dinner with me on Friday? Ninth meaning, used to say what you like, love, hate, etc. For example, I love coffee. I'd be only too glad to help. I'd hate you to think I was criticizing you. I'd rather come with you. I'd rather you came with us. Tenth meaning, used to give opinions that you are not certain about. For example, I would imagine the job will take about 2 days. 2 days. I'd say he was about 50. 11th meaning, used to give advice. For example, I wouldn't have any more to drink if I were you. 12th meaning, used for talking about things that often happened in the past. Its synonym is used to. For example, when my parents were away, my grandmother would take care of me. He'd always be the first to offer to help. 13th meaning, used for talking about behavior that you think is typical. For example, she said it was your fault. Well, she would say that, wouldn't she? She never liked me. 14th meaning, used to express a strong wish. For example, would that he had lived to see it? Would that he had lived to see it?